Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today we got a simple but tasty dish, spicy lamb flatbreads, made out of leftover lamb. We've all had bowls of juicy nice lamb left over from a Sunday roast, and this is one way of using it up. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below or on screen now. This is a very simple dish. Simply put the lamb, ground coriander, ground cumin, paprika, oregano, garlic, salt and pepper to taste, sprinkle over the oil and thoroughly mix together and put aside until you're ready to cook. And when you are ready to cook, cook on a low to medium flame. And continue to fry for 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need to overcook it because the lamb's already been cooked once. You just want all ingredients to mingle together. And when this is achieved, you're ready to plate up. And to do this, simply lay the flatbreads on a plate. Place your salad of your choice. We're using tomatoes, onions and crispy lettuce. And top off with the lamb. And at this point, always make sure that your wife dishes up the meat fairly, because there always seems to be less meat in mine than hers. If you want to know how we make our flatbreads rather than buy them, just let us know in the comments below. Next you come to the best bit. Add any sauce you like. Tzatziki, garlic sauce, chili sauce, mayo, anything you like. And there you have it, spicy lamb flatbreads. Really tasty and a way to use up leftover lamb. Mind you, it's only fair to warn you, after you've eaten this, it's so messy it looks like you've been in a food fight. Well, we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.